Uh, Now next question is 14 students in the class are girls. Okay. So here look at here 14 students in the class are girls. So what we have to do? We have to draw a circle for girls. Okay. Then 8 students in the class wear blue shirts. 8 students wear blue shirts. So we have to draw a circle for blue shirts also. Okay. Now here, two are neither girls nor wear blue shirts. So we have to draw third circle also. And it does not overlap with the circle of girls as well as circle of blue shirts. Okay. So we have to draw three circles. Now, two are neither girls nor wearing blue shirts. Now, five students who wear blue shirts are girls. So look at here. The circle of girls overlap with the circle of blue shirts. And in the overlapping region, we have to write 5 because 5 students who wear blue shirts are girls. Now, what is asked? How many students are there in the class? So look at here. Total girls are 14, out of which 5 are wearing blue shirts. So that means from 14 we have to minus 5. What will we get? 9. Now next one is blue shirts. So 8 students in the class wear blue shirts. 8 students, out of which 5 are girls. So remaining are 3. Okay. So in this way, and 2 are neither girls nor wear blue shirts. So 5. So in this way, we can draw 3 circles with all the information given. Now look at here. Here 9 girls out of the 14 girls, 9 girls are the girls who does not wear blue shirts. And out of the 8 students who wear blue shirts, out of which 5 girls wears the blue shirts and 3 are the boys definitely. So what we have to do? We have to find out how many students are there in the class. So look at here. How many students in the class? We have to find out. So what we have to do? We have to sum up all. 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 and it is equals to 19. So correct answer is A. Now next one is topic 2, number series. Now in the number series, look at here. If 42 corresponds to 26, 71 correspond to 78, 3 correspond to 16, then 62 will be, or 2. So we have to write the answer here. So look at here. First of all, any relation given here, 42 and 26, 71, 78, 33 and 16. So it seems to be no relation in between them. So what we have to do? First of all, look at here 42 and 26. Here 4, if 4 is divided by 2, then answer is 2. And 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So in this way it is equals to 26. Then 7 divided by 1 means 7. And 7 plus 1 equals to 8. That means 78. 33. 3 divided by 3 means 1. And 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So 33 is corresponds to 16. Similarly, 62. What we have to do? We have to divide 6 by 2. What will we get? 3. Okay. And 6 plus 2, 8. That means correct answer is 38. Here 78 is written, but correct answer is 38 because 78 is not in the option also. So correct answer is C, 38. Now next one. Which of the following will complete the numerical series? Now look at here. What we have to do? Here simple concept you have to use, odd and even concept. Here 7 is odd, 15 is odd, 31 is odd, 127 is also odd. So in the series, number will also be odd. And here 3 numbers are even. Only one number is odd, that is 63. So correct answer is 63.
63.
Now next one, fill in the blank by an appropriate alternative. 21, 12, 32, 23, 43, 34, 54. Here you
45.
can also use the concept. That means odd even also. That means odd even formula also can be used. If we use 21 odd, then even odd, That means first of all 21 is odd, then 12 is even, 32 is even.
So they are
So
reverse numbers,
odd,
no?
even, then odd. Okay. Then
45.
43 is, sorry, 23 is odd, 43 is odd, 34 is even, 54 is even. So next number will be odd. And odd are 45, 47 and 65. But here when we carefully observe the number, then 21 is the mirror image of 12.
So they are
32
reverse
is the
numbers,
mirror
yeah.
image of 23. Okay, so correct answer is
45.
45.
45.
Now next one. Here replace the question mark by an appropriate alternative in the following series. 32, 33, 37, 46, 62. So here, first of all, in this type of series, what you have to do? You have to measure the difference. In between 32 and 33, there is a difference of 1. But in between the 33 and 37, there is a difference of 4. In between 37 and 46, there is a difference of 9.
8, 9.
And in between 62 and 46, there is a difference of 16. So in this way, we can say that there is a difference of square of the numbers. Okay. So we have to use square of 1 in between 32 and 33. Then in between 33 and 37, square of 2, that is 4. Then in between 37 and 46, square of
87.
3, that is 9. In between 46 and 62, difference is 16, that means square of 4. And definitely the next number will have the difference of square of 5. That means 25. So the correct answer is, tell me what is the correct answer here?
87.
87 will be the correct answer. Now next one, fill in the blank by an appropriate number in the following series. Look at here, 5, 35, then 7, then 42, then 6. Here simply what you have to do, you have to multiply first and third. 5 into 7, 35. 7 into 6, 42. Okay. 6 into 9 gives rise to what? 54. Okay. 9 into 4, 36. So in this way, what is the correct answer here?
C.
54.
C.
C. Now next one. In this series, 4, 5, 8, 13, 14, 15, and 22. It is continued in this series. Which one of the following is not a? So look at it. When we observe the series 4 and 5, there is a difference of 1. 5 to 8, there is a difference of 3. To 13, there is a difference of 5. 13 to 14, then this pattern is repeated. Again, there is a difference of 1, then difference of 3, and then difference of 5. Okay. So when we continue this series, then what we have to do? We have to maintain the difference of 1, then 3, then 5. Then again we have to maintain the difference of 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and so on. So look at here. Difference between 22 and 23, there is a difference of 1. Then difference between 23 and 26, difference of 3. 26 and 31, difference of 5. Then again 31 to 32, there is a difference of 1. 32 to 35, difference of 3. And 35 to 40, difference of 5. That means in this series, after 22, we can say that 23 will be possible, 26 will be possible, 31 will be possible, 32 will be possible, 35 is possible, and 40 is possible. What is not possible in this series? In the option here, 33 is not given in the series or not followed. So 33 is the correct answer.
C.
Now next one, which of the following, this is the question asked in the CSIR net. Which of the following option is the best choices for the missing number? Now when you consider this, here, what will happen? 0.1 or 0.1, 0.25, 0.3, 0.2. So look at here, 0.1 to 0.2, there is a difference of two numbers. Then 0.2 to 0.3, again difference of two numbers. 0.3 to 0.4, definitely again there will be a difference of two numbers. Understand? So the missing number after 0.3
So we are not doing this.
look at here, we have to find out. So look at here, 0.1 to 0.3, there is a difference of 2. And when we consider 0.25 to 0.5. Again, there is a difference of 0.3 and 0.2. Understand? So 0.25 to 0.5. 0.75 will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, alphabetic series. Now, what you have to do in this series, first of all, you have to write down all the alphabets with their numbers. That means A stand for 1 and Z stand for 26 in this way. And this series will be helpful to you in the question paper. So look at here the question based on the alphabetic series. First question, which of the following will complete the series? Look at here, EG, that means after E, F is skipped here. That means after F, G is given here. Then in the next pair of alphabets, H is skipped, then I is given. And after I, J is skipped, then K is given. Okay. After K, two alphabets are skipped, L and M. Then N will come. And after N, O is skipped, then P will come. And after P, three alphabets are skipped. Then T will come. Okay. In this way, this series is given. So what we have to do? We have to find out after NP, we have to skip three alphabets. Why we have to skip three alphabets?
Because of
in
first,
the
second.
first pair, in the first pair, after the first, in between first and second pair, one alphabet is skipped. That means
Then next
from
two.
EG to IK, and then IK to NP, two alphabets are skipped. Then definitely in between NP and AC, there will be three alphabets skipped. Okay,
Yes.
and so on. Now that's why correct answer is B, TV. Now next one, which of the following alternative will complete the following letter series? Look at here, E, G, F. Here, first letter is E. Then after E, F will come, but it is written in the third place. So we have to read in that manner. E,
So the
that means
third
first,
letter-
then third, and then second.
So the third letter is placed in second place.
Yes, yes, yes. So here, E, then third letter, and then we have to come to the second letter. So E, F, G. Then H is skipped. I, J, K. Okay. Then L is skipped. Then what will come? M, N, O. Understand?
MNO.
So A option is correct. Next one. Maybe.
Good afternoon,
So tell me
sir.
what will be the answer? What will be the